Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the McDonald's app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card to the McDonald's app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the McDonald's app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on More. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Profile on the upper hand side. Next, click on Payment Methods, and then click on New Debit or Credit Card. So this is where you could actually enter your credit card number and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the McDonald's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.